Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to do the rear brakes pads for this 2007 Lexus GS 350. Last time I did it, but unfortunately the hardware that came with the kit, somehow somebody at Mickey Mouse, and when they changed the rear brake, or they lost a spring or something. But anyway, today I'm going to show you guys to do it correctly. Yeah, I'm going to take out the wheels and then remove the wheel and then get into the rear brakes again. So yeah, last time I bought the Durlast Go, and this time around it's the Durlast Elite. Durlast Go is about $71.99, and the Elite is $79.99. But this one comes with the hardware included, where required by OE. And this one is 3 times longer life. This is the spring that you will need, the hardwire kit, and this is the brake pads. It's the warning sign right here. They also come with a brake loop. So I'm going to use this brake part lubricant. I use this scissor jack. Make sure you anchor to that jack point right there, in between those 2 other notches. And I'm going to loosen this lock nuts, also that lock with the wheel lock key. And you also need this 2 other pliers. This one, the big one, is to squeeze the brake pads, squeeze the piston back. And you need this 21 to remove this lock nuts. Got my impact driver with a 1/2 inch driver. So yeah, the cotter pin was somebody Mickey Mouse it, and then there's another one down here. And I'm going to remove this spring, yank it out, and then this side. You have to remove this cotter pin. There's one on the top too, with the needle nose plier. First of all, I'm going to squeeze the piston with the big plier. The camera's in the way. The piston is on this side. There you go. You squeeze it, make sure you go back. I'm going to do that on the top and bottom. Now I'm going to remove this cutter pin. And now you can push the pin out, and the spring will come out. See? Now you could remove this. By the way, the caliper, you can shift back and forth. And I'm gonna lubricant around the piston area and all the metal that's hitting the caliper. By the way, the warning sign right here, the metal piece, is supposed to be inside. Doesn't go in, you can shift it. Put some grease. Oh, this is a little bit different. Normally it's a hook one, the original one. So, so this is the pain in the butt to get this in there. I had to do the top and the bottom, and then this thing is gonna stick out, the middle piece, and then you gotta insert in there, and after that you're gonna lock this in there so the spring doesn't fall off. And now it stays in there. It doesn't come out. Okay? If you don't do it right, those pins are gonna come out and then you're gonna mess up your wheel. And then that's it. I'm gonna put the wheel back. Hopefully I can try to show you on the other side. Alright, so I removed the wheel already. And now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Remove the spring first. Left, right. And then Mickey Mouse cotter pin that I need to remove. Gonna use a plier first to push back the piston. So the piston's on this side. So you just need to squeeze on the inner side, not the outside. There you go. That's why always work on your own brakes. The new one I put it in. Put the grease. Ay, ay, ay. This part goes down, okay? There you go. Okay, this one is tricky part. Yeah, you gotta play with this one. You gotta squeeze it downward. Push in. Make sure this one is open it up. There you go. Here, move the bottom spring, the locking pin away. Now you can push in. It's kind of hard. You gotta maneuver it and push into that hole. Doesn't want to go in. We gotta use a plier to move around. So. There you go. Make sure it's inside that hole right there. That's where most of YouTubers, they don't teach you. I find a hard way to learn it myself. Okay, and that's it. Gonna put everything back. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any of the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.